Hi there everyone, welcome to Code Learning Academy. In this video, we are going to learn about for loop in JavaScript. So let's dive right into it. Well, the for loop is the most compact form of looping. It includes three important parts. Here we have the syntax, how to use for loop in JavaScript. It has three important parts. The first one is initialization, the second is test condition, and then the last one is the iteration statement. So here we have the syntax, how to use for loop in JavaScript. We have a for keyword and then parentheses. Inside these parentheses we have three important parts. The first one is initialization, where we initialize our counter to a starting value. The initialization statement is executed before the loop begins, and then separated by a semicolon. And then we have a test condition, which will test if a given condition is true or not. If the condition is true, then the code given inside the loop will be executed. Otherwise, the control will come out of the loop. Next to the test condition, we have the iteration statement, where you can increase or decrease your counter. You can put all the three parts in a single line separated by a semicolon, just like this, and then curly braces. Inside these curly braces, we are going to put the block of code that we need to be executed when the test condition is going to be true. So to understand it better, let me show you this with an example. Let me create a program that counts from 0 up to 10. So we have 4, and then let count equal to 0. This is the initialization. And then count less than 10, which is the test condition. And then count plus plus. We are going to increase this by 1. So count plus plus, or count plus equals 1, and then parentheses. After that, we need to display the message inside the console. So we have console log current number plus count. Alright, if this test condition is going to be true, then the block of code inside these curly braces will be executed. Otherwise, if it is false, the control will come out of the loop. So we have console.log, oh, you are out of the loop. Alright, when I execute the program, here we have a number right here, which is displayed inside the console. Then, after count equals to 10, then after count equals to 9, then count is going to be increased by 1 and then becomes 10. At this time, the test condition fails. It becomes false. That's why the control will come out of the loop. That's why after it display 9, we get this message right here. Oh, you are out of the loop. That's it. On the reverse Y, we can count down. Let's say you are going to make an alarm to calculate a birth date. So for let count equals to 12, and then count greater than 0, count equals -1. We are going to decrease this. Let's say this is months, 12 months, decreased by 1. So we are going to display this inside the console. Console.log the remaining months to celebrate your birthday is count. After that, if count equals to 0, then the test condition becomes false. So at this time, we are going to display this message, console.log, oh yeah, happy birthday, oh yeah, happy birthday. So when I execute the program, here we have the result. It counts down from 12 months up to your birthday. Oh yeah, that is how to use for loop in JavaScript. We have a for keyword, and then inside this parentheses we have three important parts. We have initialization, test condition, and iteration statement. The initialization is where we initialize our counter to a starting value. It executed before the loop begins. The test condition or the test statement which will test if a given condition is true or not. If the condition is true, then the code given inside the loop will be executed. Otherwise, the control will come out of the loop. The iteration statement where you can increase or decrease your counter. Oh yeah, that is how to use for loop in JavaScript. If you have any question concerned here, let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.